Introduction text. Welcome to Ubuntu Supporter. In this video, we'll walk through setting up a robust home server using Ubuntu. This tutorial will cover hardware selection, Ubuntu installation, and essential configurations to get your server running efficiently. 1. Choose your hardware text. Step 1. Choose your hardware. Details. You can use various hardware for your home server, such as an old PC, a dedicated server machine, or a Raspberry Pi. Ensure your hardware meets the minimum requirements for Ubuntu Server. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're using a standard PC. 2. Download Ubuntu Server text. Step 2. Download Ubuntu Server. Details. Go to the official Ubuntu website and download the latest version of Ubuntu Server. You'll need the ISO file to create a bootable USB drive. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and enough bandwidth for the download. 3. Create a bootable USB text. Step 3. Create a bootable USB. Details. To create a bootable USB drive, use a tool like Rufus for Windows or Etcher for Mac OS, Linux. Insert your USB drive into your computer and open the tool. Select the downloaded Ubuntu Server ISO file and the USB drive, then start the process. This will prepare the USB drive for installation. 4. Install Ubuntu Server text. Step 4. Install Ubuntu Server. Details. Insert the bootable USB drive into your server hardware and restart the machine. Enter the BIOS, UEFI settings, usually by pressing F2, F10, or Del during startup, and set the USB drive as the first boot device. Save the changes and restart. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Ubuntu Server. You'll need to configure language, keyboard layout, and network settings. Create a user account and set a strong password. 5. Set up SSH text. Step 5. Set up SSH. Details. Once Ubuntu Server is installed, you can access it remotely using SSH. Install and configure SSH with the following commands: SQL copy code sudo apt-get update sudo apt-get install open server sudo system ctl enable SSH sudo system ctl start SSH. This will allow you to connect to your server from another machine using an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal. 6. Configure Samba for file sharing text. Step 6. Configure Samba for file sharing. Details. Samba allows you to share files between your Ubuntu server and other devices on your network. Install Samba with Arduino copy code sudo apt-get install Samba. Next, edit the Samba configuration file. Bash copy code sudo nano /etc/samba/smb.conf. Add your shared folder details to the end of the file, then save and exit. Restart Samba to apply the changes. Copy code sudo system ctl restart smbd. 7. Install Plex Media Server text. Step 7. Install Plex Media Server. Details. Plex is a powerful media server application. To install Plex, first install curl. Copy code sudo apt install curl, then add the Plex repository and install the server. Bash copy code curl https://downloads.plex.tv/plex keys/plexsign.key. Sudo apt key add echo deb https://downloads.plex.tv/repo/deb public main. Sudo t/etc/apt/sources.list d/plexmediaserver.list. Sudo apt update sudo apt install Plex Media Server. Enable and start the Plex service. Bash copy code sudo system ctl enable Plex Media Server. Service sudo system ctl start Plex Media Server. Service. 8. Secure your server text. Step 8. Secure your server. Details. Securing your server is crucial. Use UFW, uncomplicated firewall, to set up a basic firewall. Bash copy code sudo apt-get install UFW sudo UFW enable sudo UFW allow SSH sudo UFW allow 32400. TCP UFW will allow SSH connections and Plex Media Server traffic while blocking other ports. 9. Conclusion text. You've successfully set up your home server with Ubuntu. Explore additional features and settings based on your needs. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tutorials and tips, visuals and additional elements. Introduction. Animated graphics with the Ubuntu logo. Hardware choice. Images or clips of different server hardware. Download process. Screen recording of downloading Ubuntu Server. Bootable USB creation. Screen recording of Rufus or Etcher in use. Installation process. Screen recording of Ubuntu Server installation. SSH setup. Screen recording of SSH installation and command inputs. Samba configuration. Screen recording of Samba configuration. Plex installation. Screen recording of Plex Media Server installation. Firewall setup. Screen recording of UFW commands. Conclusion: end screen with channel branding and calls to action. Animations and effects: use professional transitions and animations for each step. Add technology-themed visuals and effects to enhance viewer engagement. This script provides a detailed yet concise guide for creating your video.